not the north boundary. I already rode portions of it, but I figured I'd record a little bit here and there. This one's really flowing. Oh, not flowing, as in it's really flat. Very small elevation changes. So you can carry like about the same speed any which direction. But there is little downhill spots here and there. Be careful, the bridge. Get kind of moist out. These are mostly just connectors. This is on the western end of Jackson. If you look on Trail Forks, you can see where there's a pretty much straight line, the north boundary trail above this. And this one is kind of just a little bit to the south. And there's a little attachments here and there when it comes to north boundary trail from this one. Excuse me. Thank you. Hello. As you can see, it's multi-use. Everything out here is multi-use. I run into a couple hikers, a couple cyclists. It varies a bit. Everybody's fairly polite though. Decent amount of selection over here. I think there'd be more people riding bikes because this place is pretty damn big. I don't think I've ever ridden the same loop twice here. No real jumps or anything or features, but beautiful redwood forest, especially, I mean, well, any time of year it's beautiful, but right now it's real nice. There's decent traction, a little moist, pretty cold, but I got an extra layer on. Thank you. It's a Saturday, so probably gonna be a few people out here, even with it being this cold. It's a fun little down section. Try to avoid skidding around these trails. It's getting kind of worn in. Doesn't have the duff on the top. I believe this is still the North Trail, so I'll have it labeled as. Got the mushrooms, beautiful redwood forest here. This place is a gem, really. Should be more people riding bikes out here. Would recommend it. I believe there's only one trail here that's really cool. Excuse me. This one is, yeah, see, the other one is a hiking only trail. This one's for biking. Be careful on these slick bridges. It's pretty moist out here. That coastal fog. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one short. There's a fair amount of climbing coming up. When I get back to a down, I'll go ahead and turn the camera back on. So this here is part of the Falls Loop. I came out of the North Trail, not the North Boundary Trail, going east this way. There's a little bit of climbing. That's why I didn't include that. But this stays pretty rolling through here. So I figured I'd go ahead and document this also. But it does drop down to the falls, and I'll go ahead and keep it on until then. So like towards the end of the video, you'll be able to see the waterfall where this trail goes to. And all these are, you can see where everything is on Trail Forks. The only thing is there's one, it doesn't show where the Falls Loop reconnects to the North Boundary Trail and then connects to the other trails across the road. You'll have to just follow by the signs here. I'm not sure how to record trail rides to make new ones, but you can. It's fairly self-explanatory. You just want to try to avoid the spots that are pedestrian only. I have been chewed out on X because I was accidentally on the wrong trail. There's only like one or two here outside of Russian Gulch. Very slight grade up. I think these are the Falls Loop as well as the North Trail. It'll be funny either direction. I usually take the North Boundary Trail back to my truck, but I park in a secret spot. A really small parking lot. Once I get more experience in making YouTube videos, I'll learn how to edit these type of things. Take out the more flat spots and just keep the downs. And hopefully integrate a map so you can see where these each go. Oh, I thought the drop was closer. Maybe not. Shoot, when was the last time I charged this thing? It's still on. Stick to spoke. Come on, get out of there. Oh, son of a bitch. There we go. Okay. Pedestrians is all. Thank you. Just like that. Pedestrians. I can only go so fast through here. 4-quad XDRs aren't quite enough. Some of this. Jump back though. Alright, let's go ahead and drop over the falls. Then we're gonna have to walk down there to get a good view. Jesus, it's getting pretty slippery. Here's the falls. Beautiful little spot. A lot of hikers come out this way. I've hiked out here before. I prefer to ride the bike, but sometimes I gotta bring the dog out and give him some adventures in these spots. He's a little too small to just take a general trail ride. Beautiful place. This whole forest is gorgeous. So I'm surprised there's not more people out here. Even in the winter like this, put on an extra layer, maybe a rain jacket. Beautiful place though. That's a hiking only trail, I believe. There's Waterfall. And to the next trail.